Okay, so basically my friends and I decided to make each other full course meals, but not just any full course meal. We decided instead of making a casual, boring old meal, we went ahead and bought the most disgusting things we could find at Meijer's. One of the grossest things, if not the grossest things I've ever done in my life. And with that being said, here's baby Keem.
Trademark on that pussy, trademark in my brand new bitch. Yeah, duh, hold up, blood, hold up, cuz, hold up, sis.
Oh yeah, I also forgot to mention who had which course. And now, with that being said, here is Chapter 1.
Alright guys. Yes sir. No shot, the Paw Patrol fucking Campbell.
Can we put these in like an air fryer or something?
You might be able to.
Ooh, I had a good idea before too. Do like chips and salsa, but like put in the salsa too. I think this is my best option because if I can put some like fucked up shit in that salsa. Chunky salsa. So we can do this. Let's go to like the medicine aisles. We can put dog food in there.
But bro, I might have to leech off some of your ingredients. These are nasty, dude. We're going eggs today. Oh, pumpkin spice. You already know, like, they're gonna die today. Yes, sir, the pie. Making a pie. We gotta have a base. They're not just gonna die out here, okay?
Well, could go good with the salsa. Oh,
okay, that's a bad idea.
Oh boy. Oh god, dude. I mean, shitting your pants is better than throwing up, wouldn't it be?
No, dude, I'd rather puke than shit my pants.
Make them go to sleep. This could match, but I mean, if I only put like a little in there. Dude, this is gonna taste like the salsa too. You know what? I'm gonna make it even worse. Alright, I'm good.
I don't really know yet. I'm basically winging it.
Oh no!
Actually, I got an idea. I think I know what I'm gonna put into mine. Howdy, boy. Don't look at ours, bro. What are you doing? Don't look at ours, man.
Why the fuck they got the NyQuil, bro?
Hey, calm down, all right? Calm down.
We're done. We're ready.
Oh, you guys are done? Yeah, I gotta wait for Tom. Okay.
Pepperoni, minis, original beef flavor.
Right here.
Filet mignon. I think we're good.
This is Ryan's cooking show. Let's fucking go, boys.
All this.
Yo, why does it look like that, bro? Ain't no way. That's lean.
They got drugs in this. It say 85% lean. I'm gonna drink some of that lean.
What are we making today, Tyler?
I don't know. I just grabbed a bunch of stuff and we're gonna see where it goes.
Bro, you have the main course too, dude.
Look, I got dog stuff. I think I've got it.
Oh! Oh, shit. Bro, how are we gonna eat this? If we're literally eating dog food. God, dude.
Alright guys, so I'm tasked with doing the dessert. Got my ingredients here. I'm doing a little family recipe. It's been in my family for generations. Honey roasted turkey breast.
Alright guys, today we're gonna be making a smoothie. It's a highly nutritious smoothie. I mean, come on. Why wouldn't you? I got a little twist. So what I have here is a nutritious fart spray.
Why would you spray that?
No, I did not.
And it went backwards, you idiot. Three, two, one.
Oh no! You can see the pink in it.
Oh my god. I don't know, man. Tyler, yours is the worst one in your...
Oh my god. Dude, I'm like almost shaking. I swear to God.
Oh shit!
Oh my god.
Oh, we're NyQuil, bro. Oh, I already smell it, dude.
I'm not eating that. I am not eating that.
Are you f***ing kidding me?
Take a bite.
I'm not doing this.
Food in this. Here we go.
Sit down and eat it, otherwise I'm gonna kill you.
My throat's already up, so I'm not doing that.
Oh my weird, dude.
Isn't it good? What the At least Max actually has like edible food. Dog.
That's edible. You can eat dog food.
For a dog!
I don't even know if I can eat that.
Try this,
Look,
bro.
can we agree to like assault Max, like brutally injure him if he doesn't do this?
Oh, that was a champion,
Took it
dude.
like a fucking champ.
Oh, yeah.
What the fucking ew.
Oh, ew.
Oh my god. That's it, dude. That was fucking.
That's not edible. This isn't edible.
You can drink it, yes you can.
What's in it?
There, you put a half a stick. Oh, yeah.
What?
Yeah.
What? This isn't edible.
Yes, it is.
It looks like bark.
Dylan, are you gonna nice? I know. I'm recording. He's gonna. We'll drink it after. Yeah, maybe. Oh, it's a bit. It ain't even bad.
Oh. Okay. Alright.
It doesn't taste good.
You hold on. Let me put some more. No.
No!